Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Tech and AI YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can add banks to your hair with FaceTune app. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the FaceTune app and already logged in, and now once you open it you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the FaceTune apps on in the screen, where you can see the plus icon at the bottom of this dashboard. Simply tap on that option and you can choose any of these photos from the library. So simply choose one of them, and now you can see the hair option at the bottom of the screen. So simply select that one, and now you can see lots of tools over here. So you need to choose the haircuts, and now you need to slide to the left, and you can see the banks option, which is at the right side of the web. So simply select the banks haircut and you'll be able to add banks to your haircut successfully. So basically this is how you can add banks to your hair with FaceTune app, and if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.